and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday to you all. So I've got 3 different paintings to share with you today. A couple of them are larger ones, but we do also have a small one. So let's start with this, and I always forget what I ordered. So it's like a nice surprise. And oh, it's a special. I do like a good special painting. I tend to find I pick these as sort of an evening project. Sometimes when I'm in between projects and I'm not quite ready to kit one up, but I want to do a painting. Oh, that one's gorgeous. I think that's going to be amazing once it's got rhinestones on it. So it has 16 colours and it's down as a 30 by 30. Can you imagine once all those sparkle? Okay, so it's down to 30 by 30. It's actually, the drill area is more 26 by 26. So nice, decent size, to be fair. Comes with a toolkit with some little baggies. What diamonds do we have? Do we fully sparkle or do we partially sparkle? I think we might partially sparkle. Yes. Oh, there's some very nice diamonds in there. Okay. Is this one a glow in the dark one? It is. It's a glow in the dark. So those white ones, if I turn off my light, you'll have to catch it because it is daytime here. Oh, did you see them glow before the... I'm hoping the camera shows the same thing. But they did glow before my camera adjusted to daytime, I think. If not, I definitely saw it. So these are glow in the dark. And then we have some gorgeous greens. Now these are standard diamonds and they do look to have the DMC codes as well. So that's good. In fact, that's what told me these were glow in the dark, because it says 5200 and then it says YG. Don't ask me what the YG stands for, but it tends to mean they glow in the dark. So then all of these do have DMC numbers and they are all diamonds, but then look at them. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got some rhinestones, different shapes and sizes in green, yellow, some more in green, some blue, yellow and silver. So that is a nice sort of mixture. It's specials, it's luminous, and it's normal drills with the MC numbers. So you can always transfer them across. Oh, I do make good choices. That one is going to be very fun to do. Okay, let's see if my choices were as good in the big ones. So let's get the one jiffy bag off so that I can get into the second jiffy bag that has the actual painting. We are rolled up, so a lot of these new 40 by 50s, oh, we accidentally got stuck to the diamonds, do tend to come rolled up, and they come a mixture of poured glue and not poured glue. This one is poured glue. This is very similar to one that I've unboxed before in design, but a very different colour scheme. Just get that bit of tape off, otherwise it will haunt me later. But this is the image. So I have had this one unboxed. I have unboxed one very similar to this, but in more dark colours with gold tones. This one has more of the colour to it. So what's the biggest colour that we've got? 939 is still the biggest colour that we've got, numbers wise, so it does still have quite a bit of 939, but mainly down this bottom side rather than bottom and top. But then we definitely do go lighter the further up that we go. We've got some gorgeous pops of colour in here. So it has 33 colours. It's down as a 40 by 50, sorry. And the actual size of the painting is 39 by just short of 49, so it's only a centimetre off. Oh look, that's a bag of 939, that, isn't it? Let's see if we can, I'm not lifting each colour up because it's not easy to do when they're in baggies, but there's no explosion of diamonds, so let's just lay it out here. So that's the 939, which is the biggest bag. We have a lot of 823, which is also a dark blue, and we have quite a bit of 310. So those three do make up quite a few dark colours, but then we definitely start going lighter with these lighter blues. Further up, we've got some hints of turquoise. That's a light blue. So are those two. Well, that one's a bluey green, but we've got quite a few that sort of lighten up. And then of course we've got shading, greys, and we've got these oranges as well. So we have got some 720 to pop. Make those orange butterflies pop. But yeah, if you don't like 939, it might not be the painting for you. But for some reason, a lot of paintings that I like, they just have that drama of the 939. I'm sorry, but they do. But I really like it. So it is a square. I like the fact that sort of the silhouette of a butterfly here that you can see, and one up here, but especially this one, so you can see the silhouette of the butterfly through the camera. But when you look at the diamond close up, you can't really see it at all. It's one of those things where when you move away from a picture, you can often see more detail than looking at it up close. Me likes. I can imagine that hung up in a front room also. Okay, last big one. Let's see, is this one poured glue or not poured glue? And what did I order? Because I can't remember. This one is not poured glue. So this one is a double-sided tape. So this one the first one came with a small white tray. And, you know, the pen with the grip. This one has actually come with one of the big white trays. Doesn't have a spout though, but it does come with a big white tray and some posher metal tweezers. Very similar to the way another company package their toolkits, which makes me think that maybe that other company have some overstocks that they send to other companies, or maybe they just do them for multiple companies. Who knows? But this one, I am pretty sure Megan is going to want to snatch off me as soon as she sees it. In fact, it may be Megan that picked it. I never remember. But look at this. Look at that. And she'll want to nab it because it's cosmic. Not because of the colour that it is. It's because it's cosmic. Look at all those purples though. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, but it is double-sided tape. Having a look on the back of the canvas, there's no puckers on the back of the canvas. It has got some slight folds where it's got squash, but there's nothing where it's puckered up to the point that, you know, the tape won't stretch. So let's peel this side back a little bit and put it down, just to help this to flatten out. So let's do that about that far. And let's do the same on this one, on this side. What's the biggest colour we've got on this? Oh, 820, I think. Yeah, it looks like the biggest amount of colours we're going to have is 820. There is 310 in it, but there's only about 334 of them. that's fine. There is 939, but that is only about 300-400 of them as well. So looks like we are not going to have loads and loads of black. Okay, in fact that's where a lot of the black is there. Let's pull this down now so that you can see the image. In fact that's where a lot of the black goes. There's a little bit here. Is that 9? Yeah, and that's 939 around it. So it's this sort of dark shading part of the lion's face, and a little bit for the nose, a little bit for the eyes, and then a little bit sort of in the cosmic clusters. And sometimes it can be hard to tell, especially when you've got really dark colours here, really dark symbols. So there is some really dark symbols that are actually 550, which is a deep purple, that show up better. If you look at the actual image, it does look really dark, but actually when you get closer you can actually make out what it is. Oh, try not to stick a diamond paint to my desk today. So yeah, I think this one is going to turn out amazing when it's actually done. It has got a bit crinkled on the sides, but that's fine. You can always iron them and it does come out, but I find just flattening this out and putting it under something and you're able to work on it. But wow, that does look pretty good. Okay, let's have a look at the colours that come in it. Again, I'm not going to hold them all up to the camera, but I will sort of tip them out the bag. There's some bigger bags in here, but they're not frightening. So that is the 939, so there is quite a few. And that's the 820. Oh, this one said, hang on, which one did I say had the most? Oh, maybe it is the 939. Maybe I was looking at not looking at the full colours. Yes, it is 939. I thought it was about 369. It's not. It's 3,690. Okay, so it is 939 that we have sort of the most of, but followed by 820, which does bring in that nice bit of blue. 310 is only small though, so it's not scary. Absolutely loads of purples and blues. And then we've got 3756 to bring in that white look. It's not quite a stark white, but actually it looks very white when you put it all in with all these dark colours. It does look white, so it gives you that look when you actually do the painting. We've even got a little bit of hot pink in there as well to sort of bring all those hues together. Very nice. I'm pretty sure Megan's going to be on this one. She just needs to find 24 hours in the day just to diamond paint. Same as I do, really. I could do with 2 days for 1 day. A day to live life and sleep and a day to diamond paint. But very nice selection today. So we've got a lion, and then, in fact, all the animals. Then we've got butterflies, and then we have a peacock with a little bit of everything. Luminous, rhinestones and normal drills. 2 squares and 1 round. I will pop links to them down below, just in case any of them do catch your eye. There's quite a lot more 40 by 50s on the site recently, I have noticed. So if you do like that little bit of a bigger diamond painting, go and have a nosy. There's definitely an increase in those sizes. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to Fansells for always sending me these items to share with you all. And I'll speak to you all again soon.